Challenge: can headphones deliver power, comfort, and unmatched battery? Hook: 10 seconds to prove Beats Solo 4 superiority. Countdown: 10, 9, 8. Are you really ready? Problem: clunky, bulky cans, poor battery, muddy audio. You want loud, clear sound and all-day comfort. Introducing Beats Solo 4. Challenge accepted. Matte black. Custom acoustic architecture and updated drivers deliver powerful beats. Personalized spatial audio reacts to head movement for realism. Dynamic head tracking places you in the music center. Ultralight ergonomic design means comfort from commute to marathon. Flex grip headband and angled cups keep headphones stable. Ultra plush ear cushions for cloud-like comfort and durability. Battery test claims up to 50 hours. Let's verify. Timer starts now. Streaming playlist, video calls, gaming session. Fast fuel check. 10 minutes charging. What's the payoff? 10-minute charge. 5 hours playback. Let's see. Daily workflow. Multiple meetings, podcasts, long commute, non-stop. After hours. Battery still strong. No midday charging. Result: close to 50 hours in realistic mixed use. High-resolution lossless audio via USB-C or 3.5mm cable. Plug in for studio-grade clarity during critical listening sessions. Wireless freedom, Class 1. Bluetooth delivers extended range, fewer dropouts. Dual compatibility, one-touch pairing with both iOS and Android. Seamless switching between devices keeps your flow uninterrupted. Calls and voice assistant. Clear mics, crisp interactions every time. Hands-free replies, reliable voice pickup in noisy environments. Listen, demonstration. Bass punches, mids are balanced, highs sparkle. Compare old headphones, muffled lows, and congested mids. Beats Solo 4. Clarity, punch, and immersive spatial imaging. Fit check. Lightweight feels invisible after minutes wearing. Adjust ear cups. Perfect seal without pressure or overheating. Style: sleek matte black suits. Every outfit, every mood. Portability: folds compactly, slides into your bag easily. Durability test: flex grip holds up through daily use. Comfort: Marathon, ultra plush cushions resist wear and stay soft. Noise isolation reduces distractions without complete silence, ensuring focus. Gaming note: low latency and robust wireless connection impress. Creator mode, USB-C lossless audio for editing precision. Accessory: use 3.5mm cable when airplane mode required. Quick pairing demo: tap, connect, music starts instantly. Voice assistant demo: ask, respond, control without touching phone. Long weekend battery: forget chargers, enjoy uninterrupted soundtrack everywhere. Quick facts flash: 50-hour battery, fast fuel, Class 1 Bluetooth. Why choose them? Balanced sound, comfort, endurance, seamless integration. User reaction: surprise smile, head nods, immediate groove. Reviewer note: studio clarity at consumer convenience level. Savings thought: premium features without bulky professional price tag. Best use: commuting, home studio, calls, workouts, relaxed listening. Final test: music, podcast, call. Flawless across scenarios. Face reaction: nod, impressed smile, thumbs up to camera. Recommendation: I pick Beats Solo 4 for daily listening. They're lightweight, powerful, and last through busy weeks. Ready to upgrade? Matte black looks sleek and timeless. Grab yours. Feel the difference in sound and comfort. Call to action: shop now, tap the link below. Limited stock vibe: don't miss the solo listening revolution. Final line: Beats Solo. Powerful sound, effortless comfort. End with smile, point, and upbeat outro beat.